Hello students, welcome to all. Today, this video you are going to learn how to add the decimal numbers. Okay, the given decimal number, how to add. Step 1, you have to identify the type of decimal. It's a like decimal or unlike decimal. If unlike decimal, you have to convert as a like decimal, then you can add. So, if you notice this, the given decimal number, the place value is 1, this place value 2, this place value is 3, this place value 2. So all are different type of place value. So it's a unlike decimal. So first I will do convert the like decimal. So how to convert the like decimal? So look at it, the 7.9, if you look at it, the highest decimal places is 3. So I will convert all the decimal place value 3. So as per that, 7.9 if you convert 7.900, okay, then 14.55 it converted as 14.550. Then if you converted 2.85785 as it is, then 27.56 if you convert 27.560. So now if you look at it, all the decimal places 3, 1, here 3, here 3, here 3. So now the given decimal number converted as a decimal number. Now we can add easily, but the whole part we can keep as it is, we can't change anything, okay. So for that I will put 7.900, okay, then 14.550, then 2.875, then 27.560. So you have to arrange the column wise, okay. So now you can add column wise. So first column, if you add 5, then 5 plus 7 you can get 12, 12 plus 6 you can get 18, okay. So 10, 12, 18. So 18, 8, you can get remainder 1. So 9 plus 1, 10, 15, 15, 20, 28. So 28, 8 here, you have to carry forward to here. So 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 7, 22. Okay. So 22 to remainder 2. Carry forward, okay. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the total? 52.885 is the answer of the given decimal number. So I hope you understand how to add the unlike decimal number. Okay, to first you have to convert the like decimal, then you can arrange the column wise number as normal addition like this. So you can add you can get the addition of the decimal number, okay. Okay students, for your understanding purpose, I am going to give a solution for another example, okay. See, add 16.468 plus 31.03. If you look at it, it's a unlike decimal. So first I will convert it as a like decimal. So what I will do, if you converted, if you look at it, highest decimal place is 3. So here 2, here 3. So this also we want to convert as a 3 decimal places. So we have to take as it is, then 31.030. So the both decimal places now same. So if you add 31.030, then 16.468. If you add 8, 6 plus 3, 9, 4, then 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus 1, 4. So 47.498 is the answer. So now you have understand how to add the decimal number. Okay students, in this section we will discuss and you are going to learn how to subtract the decimal number. So previous you learn how to add the decimal. Now you are going to learn how to subtract the decimal. So it's a normal subtraction how we have done the same as in this subtraction decimal also. So let me see some example, then you can understand. Then when you add the decimal, you have to find out the which type of decimal, the given decimal. So as per that, here also when you subtract, you have to find out the given decimal is like decimal or unlike decimal. If it is the given decimal is unlike, you have to convert as a like decimal. So how to convert? You know very well. You have to check the given decimal places after the decimal point. How many places are there? If both here 2 places, here 2 places means it's a like decimal. But here 2, here 1, it's a unlike decimal. So first I am going to convert is a like decimal. So for that, if your highest decimal place is 2, so you don't need to convert this one. You have to convert this one. So for that, 395.45, comma 490.70. So now the decimal place is 2. Now both are common, so it's a like decimal. So now we can subtract easily. So we have to subtract from this. Okay. So for that I will write it's a minuend subtrahend. So 490.70 then minus 395.45. So we have to write like this. Then here 0, then 5. We can't subtract because minuend is small, subtrahend is big. So we have to borrow nearby number. So it will become 6, here 10. So 10 minus 5, you can get 5. The answer is 5, difference. So 6 minus 4, you will get as a 2. So point. Now 0 minus 5 we can't subtract. So what I will do? Okay. So now 10 minus 5. Okay, then 8 is there. So 8 minus 9 we can't subtract, so we have to borrow nearby number. So here 3. So 18 minus 9, 9. So here 3 minus 3, 0. So what you will get? 95.25 is the answer. Okay. Okay students, this video you are going to learn how to subtract the decimal number. Okay. So for that I have taken some 2 example decimal number. Now I will subtract, so you can understand how to subtract the given decimal number. So here, if you look at this, before subtract, you have to find out the given decimal number is like decimal or unlike decimal. If the given decimal is unlike, you have to convert the like decimal. So first step, I am going to convert. It's a unlike decimal. Here number of decimal places is 2, here number of decimal places is 1. So we need to convert here 2 decimal places. So for that I will write 395.45 as it is, but 496.7 we have to convert the 2 decimal places. So for that I will put 0. So now we can subtract easily. So what I will do, 496.70 subtract from this 395.45. So if you subtract from this 0, minuend is a minuend, it's a minuend, it's a subtrahend. So for that, minuend is small, subtrahend is big. So we cannot subtract, we need to borrow nearby number. So for that, 7 as converted to 6, now 1 borrow here. So 10 minus 5, we can get 5. So 6 minus 4, you can get 2. Then dot, okay, decimal point. Now 6 minus 5, you can get 1. So 9 minus 9, 0. Then 4 minus 3, you can get 1. Now 101.25 is the subtraction difference of 395.45 from 496.70. This is the answer. Okay students, see this kind of sum, how to find out the solution. So here both operation addition and subtraction. So for that, here decimal place, first you have to look at it, the decimal place value, here 1, here 3, here 2. So you can say easily it's a unlike decimal number. So first we have to do addition. 4.5 plus 7.257. First we have to add, then after subtract. So if you want to add So what I told you, you have to convert the given decimal number, unlike decimal number, into like decimal number. So for that I will convert first as a like decimal. So if you say the highest decimal place is 3, so I am going to convert all the decimal places value is 3. So for that 4.500, okay, then 7.257 as it is, then 3.850. Now all the decimal places is equal, okay, so we can add, subtract easily. So for that first we have to add 4.500 plus 7.257. So first I will add, so 4.500, then 752.7. So first I will add 7, then 5, then 7, 7 plus 4, then 11. Okay, so 11.757 is the addition of these two decimal number. Now after they use this total sum, we have to subtract from this. So subtract from this one. So what I will do, I will write 11.757. So 3.850. So I have to subtract. So 7 minus 0. So 7, 5 minus 5, 0. 7 minus 8 we can't subtract. So I will borrow here 1. So 17. So 17 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9. Okay. So already we subtract here 0 is there. So 0 means we can't subtract. So what I will do, we have to borrow from here 1. So 10. 10 minus 3 you can get 7. Here there is no number, so as it is. So 7.907 is the difference of the, this is the answer of this question. Okay. Okay, for your understanding purpose, we will solve another example. So find the value of 16.468 plus 3.03 minus, it means subtract 12.97. So we have to add this both decimal number, then after that we have to subtract from this number. Okay, so for that first step, you have to check the given decimal number, it's like fraction or unlike decimal, like decimal or unlike decimal. So the decimal place is 3, here 2, here 2, so not same, so it's a unlike decimal number. So what I will do, I am going to convert the given unlike decimal into like decimal. So I will convert this, it's a highest decimal places is 3, so I will convert all the decimal number places is 3. So for that 16.468 as it is, so 16.468, then 3.03 comma 12.970. So now if you look at it, all the decimal places is 3, so same, it's a like decimal number. Now first I will add this 2 decimal, then after that I will subtract. So for that I will write first 16.468, then 3.030. If you add 8 plus 0, 8, 6 plus 3, 9, 4 plus 0, 4. So 0.6 plus 3, 9, so 1. So 19.498 is the answer. Okay, 19.498. Now I will subtract from this number. So what I will do, 19.498 I will subtract to 12.970. So if you subtract 8 minus 0, so 8, 9 minus 7, you will get 2, then 4 minus 9 we can't subtract, so I will borrow from 1 here, so 14, here become 8. So 14 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so 5. Then decimal point, 8 minus 2, you can get 6, 1 minus 1, 0. So 6.528 is the 6.528 is the answer of the decimal. Okay.